This fucking idiot.
From the top of the knoll, somewhere. It's snowing, I think. Oh, here we are. This is one of the narrower parts of the trail. Drop down there. Cat sort of just fits. Got to swing the boom to the left. There we go. Nobody died. I told you, mate, the road's just here. See? Clearly. Just, you know, just had to go down about 7 metres, just there.
Oh, the shit people leave behind. Let's chuck them there, next to these other ones.
So we got a light to moderate northeasterly blowing through Happy Valley. Should be good to open in about an hour possibly. Mine's bigger than theirs. This is my favourite new attachment on the Snowcat, little 1.5 ton digger. This is going to be fun. These are T's, because they're shaped like a T, upside down. There you go, shaped like a T. Anywho, it's annoying when they leave them on, because as you can see, it gets a little tedious. Little things like when your hands are busy with the sticks or the joystick or the buttons or your cell phone, you can kick this little puppy and clean your window. We got 1600 litres of diesel in, but I'm quite wet and I can't feel my face. Could be spring. Hello!